Exactly.
Reddit. That's exactly what you expect to find. All right, now on a lighter note, and the last one of the day, you come for the kebabs, but you stay because it's lit. That's the title today. Now I want you guys to watch this clip. Maybe, Will, you can give me a tiny bit of volume, and I'm going to talk. I mean, this could be our copyright moment, which is fine. Which is fine. We have so much support from the community on the super chats.
That's true.
We're fine. We're fine here. And our amazing sponsors. Don't forget our amazing sponsors. And Willie Doo's amazing edits of the sponsors. Because even you...
He faded out the music.
Even you mentioned it. So, whatever. If they kill us with the copyright, we're about to find out. Give us a little bit of volume on it, Will. Little volume there. Okay? So it's a full-out party happening. You can turn it down a touch, Will. There you go. It's a full-out party happening in the Kebab Feast, Steak Kebab and Pizza House. It looks like it looks like an after hours.
Yes.
You've been at the club. You don't want it to be over.
The club's closed now.
And so you take the party, you get everyone to agree to go to the Kebab Feast.
Yeah.
But here's the thing that everybody missed, and it's coming on the car that passes right now. I want you to watch the car that passes in front.
What subreddit is this in?
This is Next Level.
Okay.
Yeah, so there's a car that passes in front of the Kebab Feast, and there's somebody riding on the hood. Man. It looks like a girl, a woman, that's riding on the hood. And... you know, it's just...
And she's looking into the
kebab place.
She's looking in, like, maybe we need to pull over there. Like, she's used to just riding on the hood. I don't know.
Oh, man.
Her position as well, it's...
so loungy.
It's a very loungy position. She's not worried at all. I mean, alcohol can do wonders.
Yeah. They're probably, on the hood of a car.
They're probably like, the car's full. We can't bring you there. She's like, I'll go on the hood. Yeah. Do it all the time. I'll go on the hood, no problem. Listen, I don't know. Maybe they're shooting a video. Maybe they're trying to make a TikTok, and she's doing the dolly shot. She comes across with the iPhone. I mean, who knows in 2022? I don't. One thing I know for certain, though, is that after a night of drinking, a steak kebab or a pizza is exactly what's required. And so I understand that element, no problem. Although, man, you show up with that type of crew, it looks like 2 a.m. over there.
That's fun.
You're having a good time.
But the place has got to be cool with it. Because I feel like it could just as easily be like, hey, settle down.
Right. If everyone's making an order, I don't mind.
No, but what if they all run up in there at the exact same time and start doing that?
And just do that and then leave? Yeah.
I mean, I don't know. I hope they're all... I don't know. But, like, see the lineup outside? I feel like the lineup outside is the real people that want to order.
Yeah.
And the guys inside are sort of holding it up a little bit.
Could be. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Because look at the people. You can see the flow of people to the lineup.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
But at the same time, you never want to disrupt a good time, and no one's getting hurt.
Right.
Some people are riding on the hood of the car,
exactly.
But it doesn't look like anybody got hurt. But it's a crazy party scene over there. So shout out to the Kebab Feast. Shout out to everybody who joined us here today. We really do appreciate it. You already know that. Thank you to Mo for taking part in the show and contributing vast amounts of information as our financial advisor on the show. And, of course, Willie Doo producing it, putting it together, and showing Reddit posts that I didn't send him with, like, dudes that are way too jacked, way too ripped, and then blaming me for having sent it to him. I don't know what he's into, but he's trying to hit me with major volume here. He's like, shut up!
No more!
Shut up! Anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you. Truly, thank you. Thank you again.